But this is way, way, way up with them, isn't it? Hi guys, welcome back to dubventures. Guys, we're in Wales. If you want to see what we've been up to and the amazing campsite that we stayed at last week, check out last week's video. But today guys, we're going exploring it and we're going to some fantastic waterfalls, so let's get on the road. Right guys, we've arrived at Waterfalls. Now we have been here before, so those that have followed us for a long time, you'll know that a couple of years ago we came here, but we've come back, we're really looking forward to it, so let's go. You know what guys, I say it in so many videos, Brooke says it about the amazing places, you know, that we see and everything, but this is way, way, way up with them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like the waterfalls here and everything, it's just absolutely stunning. It's so peaceful as well, isn't it? Wow. Guys, I know that we say it in so many videos about the places we go to, how amazing and things, but come on, it's amazing here. It's you know, it's stunning. It's really peaceful, quiet. It's not like a busy place. If you do end up coming here, just be wary. It's very uneven, and like lots of steps and hills and everything, isn't there? So.
Yeah.
Right, we're on level ground now. We're going to go back to the van and we're going to have a quick bite to eat, but I think it's going to be like a snack, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, just going to have a couple of snacks and everything, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to have a bit of a drive around here, aren't we? And then we're going to head off home, I think, because we've got quite a few things to do, but we've still got like more travel things to sort out, so stick with us. somewhere. We keep saying it and we're like, it just does it like you say it. Put it in the comments below if you do that. Right guys, we're actually home now. Just had to jet wash. The van was covered in dust, so just basically just jet washed a lot of it off. Quick update for you. You know that we used to have the pod that we used to use here. In the previous video we took it out and we said we're going to try a different system. I am going to update you on that very soon. What we're doing is we're doing like a box system where we sort of like use boxes instead of having a pod, and at the moment it's actually working. It gives us more room and it actually works better for us. So but stay tuned, I'll keep you updated on that. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please press that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, everybody give the video a like, and until the next one guys, bye for now. So the next one, nearly did it in one take.